So what is going on the UK property market? House prices are now a record £275,000 on average. In the last 12 months, we've gone from an average of 250,000 up to this record high of 270,000 in just a year. So what is going on? What is driving that? And is it going to continue? That is what we're discussing today. Welcome to Momentum Property Education. My name is Daniel Wood. I'm one of the founders. And welcome to our YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe because every single week we got updates on the economy, about property strategies, way to get more cash flow, interviews with top experts from all over the world. We've had Kim Kiyosaki, we've had Simon Zucci, Shimon Rudish, people from all over the world ready to help you. We also do our passive income mastery where we show you the best ways to create passive income. So please make sure you subscribe and also make sure you like this video because every time you like the video, we plant a tree. So as a part of our partnership with Eden Reforestation Project, we want to give back, and every time you hit that like button on this or any of our videos, we will plant a tree as a thank you. So thank you so much for that. Now, what is driving this incredible increase? It's about a 10% increase in just 1 year. That is incredible. So what is it that is doing this? Well, there are two main factors. There's an increase of demand and a lack of supply. So the lack of supply came first in the lockdown, right? We all knew, we all remember the lockdown. Well, buildings weren't being built during the lockdown. So we had a pent up, lack of supply there. Now that we can build again, there is a huge lack of materials. The supply chain in getting materials from places where they're made into the UK market is lacking, and that has caused prices of certain products to go up by hundreds of percent. It has affected me as a property investor. I have projects that are over 12-month delayed because of all these issues that we've had, and that is houses that are now not on the market. So that is creating the lack of supply. The lack of demand comes from the same place with lockdown. There became a pent-up demand. And then now the mortgages are so good. The UK market has had mortgages with under 1% interest. So lots of people have been, going out into the market and buying. You've been able to do it with between 5-10% deposits. And of course, a lot of first-time buyers are coming out. They've been borrowing deposits from their parents. And of course, they have the first-time buyer mortgage guarantee where they're guaranteed a 95% mortgage. So all these things have created a huge demand and an increase. The question now is, what is going to be happening going forward? Well, in September, the house prices, just in September 2021, house prices grew by 1.7% on average. In October, they still grew, but it was down to 0.9. And a part of that reason for the decline was that some of these really good mortgages are being pulled back. So for buyers with just a deposit of 5 to 10%, a lot of these sub 1% mortgages are being taken off the market. There's still, great mortgages out there for first-time buyers because of the loan guarantee scheme that came in April. But for more veteran buyers, so to speak, it is a little tougher with the mortgages. So we'll see how that affects things going forward. A big reason for that is a lot of the banks believe that the Bank of England will raise interest rates going forward. They didn't now. They've kept it at these historic lows. But with inflation rising, the way the banks will, the way the central bank combats rising inflation is by raising the interest. And that's where they're going to have that balance. They need the UK economic recovery to continue. And the recovery has been slowing down, which is why they're keeping interest rates low, to keep people pumping money through the system. But inflation has been rising. So inflation is rising quicker than the growth, which means that they will have to make a decision. When are they going to raise the interest rates? And a lot of banks, including Halifax, believes that that is coming soon, which is why a lot of these mortgage products are being taken off the market. So that might have a negative effect on the opportunity to borrow money, which will then affect the property market. So we'll see kind of where things go. Right now, though, the market is very strong. It's just 37 days from that a property is put on the market until the price has been agreed, which is a record low. So the market is very buoyant. It is very strong. The increase in demand is also coming from a lot of international buyers, so like myself and other international investors. And also there's been a lot of drive from Hong Kong over the past 24 months because of the increase now in regulations in Hong Kong from China. A lot of people have been shooting money over to the UK. So there are a lot of forces that are why the market has been going up. Some of them are cooling off, so we'll have to keep an eye on it. But right now, the market is very strong. Interest is very high. Mortgages are still available. We will see where we are in the next 3 to 6 months, and we'll keep you apprised here on the Momentum Property Education channel. So again, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. And if you like this video, please click that like button. It really helps us grow the channel, and it does tell YouTube that this is the type of videos you want to see more of, and it will get you more recommended videos in this vein that will help you as an investor, as an entrepreneur, as a property investor. So make sure you hit that like button, and as a thank you, we will plant a tree. So thank you so much for joining us here today. I hope I see you again soon. Thank you.